Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publisher. This is Hamna Bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through data resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे English for the grade 7 का review 4. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रिव्यू जी. रोल प्ले द गिवन डायलॉग. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मे आई कम इन सर? यस कम इन. बट व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? आई एम बिकमिंग sick and thin day by day. I see. Do you know how to maintain good health? No sir. You have to take balanced diet. Make sure that you maintain the rules of hygiene. What's it? Go to sleep in due time. Take your bath regularly. Take your meal at the right time. Anything else, sir? Physical exercise is also necessary in this regard. You should participate in games and sport. Thank you, sir. I wish you luck, dear student. Now answer the following questions. How did Tariq bin Ziyad boost the morale of his army? My dear brothers, we are here to spread the message of Allah. Now the enemy is in front of you and the sea behind. You fight for his cause. Either you will be victorious or martyred. There is no third choice. All the means of escape have been destroyed. He thundered while addressing his forces before the battle began. The victory of Islam following the acts of valor as well as witty was near. Which buildings and sites remind us of the Muslim rule in Spain? Spain became a beacon of art, science and culture for Europe. Masajid, palaces, garden, hospital and libraries were built. Canals were repaired and new ones were dug. New crops were introduced from the other parts of the Muslim empire and agricultural production increased. Andalus, as Spain was called by Muslim, became the Gandry of the West. Manufacturing was encouraged and the silk and brocade work of the peninsula became well known in the trading center of the world. City size increased and prospered. What are the distinctive features of Pakistani culture? Collection of multiple ethnic groups is a distinct feature of Pakistani culture. What are some of the negative effects of social media? Social media has become addictive and hence people need to learn how to limit its use. It is essential to learn and analyze the impact of social media on our society. Guess the contextual meaning of the words below and then compare them with their dictionary meaning. Encompass, cause to take place, inspired, impressed, deed, task, glance, offsprings, costume, special clothes, urban, local person, component, parts, fanatical, a person who is enthusiastic about something. Now, vocabulary and grammar. Identify the underlined work as subject, verb, direct, object, indirect, object or complement. The students learned the lesson, object. They lost the match, verb. We turned the pages, subject. My brother gave me a pen, indirect object. She told me an interesting story, complement. He is worried, verb. Now fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. We shall have started our journey before the day dawns. They will have penned by the time we reach there. The farmers will have plowed their fields before the sun sets. I shall undertake an exercise before the sun rises. The train will have left when you arrive. They will have received an award for the best performance. Now fill in the blanks with the appropriate modal auxiliary verbs. When she was 5, she could read and write. Pick up these flowers, otherwise your mother will get angry with you. We need not to buy tickets. My brother has already bought them. You must help your mother with the housework. She is tired. I was so high up that I did not dare to look down. We ought to obey our elders. Write the full forms of these abbreviations and acronyms. Adjective, December, Community Access Point, National Aeronautic and Space Administration. Write the abbreviation or acronyms of the names of the organization. It's NAB, SET, ADA and PARCO. Now write a dialogue between a salesman and a customer about a mobile phone in your notebook and read the given paragraph and write its summary. जी तो summary हमारे पास है. Exercise is extremely important in our daily lives. Exercise is a body movement performed in order to develop and maintain physical fitness and good health. People who exercise regularly increase their life expectancy by 2 years as compared to the inactive people. Regular exercise and good physical fitness enhance the quality of life. Exercise can help us to look and feel good. Now, following is the pronunciation chart based on the International Phonetic Alphabet. अब आप इसको देखिएगा. Bat, pot, tap, dog, cat, get, chair, jug, fan, thumb, dad, sea, zebra, ship, vision, hand, map, net, sink, lamp, rat, yes, vest, bit, red, mat, not, put, but, again, see, father, sore, fur, tool, lay, my, toy, so, now, bear, near, pure. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।